To show my nan this, she's a big part in my Māoritanga. I don't know, I think when I show her this, I really want it to make her proud.
The world is bigger than we can see, and not much in this life is free. Times they change and people do too. It can make you feel alone, not knowing what
I find it a lot easier to learn waita than I do to learn the words, because then I can, obviously Māori is a beautiful language, and like when I learn a waita, I often like to learn the meaning behind it. We're so poetic, right? Anything in Māori is just stunning. But I don't know, it's just been awesome. This whole experience is really scary but really cool.